With only days to go before the trial ends, an orthopedic surgeon was brought in by Amber's lawyers as one of their last witnesses. Dr. Richard Moore claimed that Johnny's finger injury likely did not happen the way Depp had described.
She threw the large bottle, and it made contact and shattered everywhere.
Did Mr. Depp's finger injury happen as a result of a vodka bottle being thrown at him?
Objection leading.
Overruled.
No.
But Johnny's lawyer, Camille Vasquez, may have scored points in her cross-examination.
You can't definitively say what caused the injury to Mr. Depp's fingers. Yes or no?
No.
Also testifying today, psychiatrist David Spiegel, who did not treat Johnny but made this diagnosis.
Mr. Depp has behaviors that are consistent with both someone who has a substance use disorder as well as consistent behaviors for someone who's a perpetrator of intimate partner violence.
And you derived this without ever once talking to the man.
No, I've never talked to him.
Right.
Today, the New York Post reports Kate Moss, who was one of Johnny's girlfriends in the 90s, will testify later this week. A source tells the newspaper she will dispute claims of a staircase fight with Johnny, claims Amber brought up during her testimony.
I just, in my head, instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
Kate is expected to testify via video. I mean, there's no way she shows up in person. And while we're there, Chanley Painter from Court TV with us once again. Kate Moss, we're hearing Wednesday for her on this. Is that right?
That's right. She may offer some really positive testimony that could change a couple of jurors' minds. You just never know.
How about the fan turnout this morning? Strong? Up to par?
There were a lot of issues overnight, apparently. The line, of course, started forming almost 24 hours ahead of time, and there were some alleged line cutters that caused quite a stir throughout the early morning hours this morning. I don't know if you heard about the moment this morning where one of the alleged line cutters was inside the courtroom, and during the mid-morning break when the jury left and Johnny Depp was leaving the courtroom, had a little bit of an outburst, holding up her baby, saying, "Johnny, we're soulmates, I love you. When are you going to admit this baby is yours?" And of course she was promptly kicked out.
Wow. Amazing she didn't make it to the next session. The fans they love Johnny and maybe a little too much here. Court TV's got gavel-to-gavel coverage, and we'll have the latest developments tomorrow on Extra.